वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू आवर एजुकेशन. So I am going to discuss the basic features of new education policy that is launched on the 29th July 2020. This change in education system is made after 34 years, but it brings the great revolution in Indian education system. Actually, I am feeling jealous for future generation because they people are going to get a chance to study under flexible way. I'm just kidding. I'm very happy with this new policy. तो देख लेते हैं इसके मेन फीचर्स क्या होंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पॉलिसी 10+2 सिस्टम को अब खत्म कर दिया गया है. दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज ड्रॉप्ड एंड न्यू स्ट्रक्चर विल बी 5+3+3+4. तो क्या है ये 5+3+3+4 सिस्टम? एवरी डिजिट हैज इट्स ओन मीन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो 5 है इट मीन्स initial 3 years of preschooling age, like the time child spend in the Anganwadi, in the kindergarten, nursery, LKG, UKG classes, and 2 year of the schooling age, that is the first class and second class. So in these 5 years, focus will not be on the books. Children will learn, but they will learn by activity. They will learn by play. So this will be the foundation phase for every student. तो next 3 क्या है? Next 3 will include 3rd, 4th and 5th class, where the basic subjects are going to start. Like they will learn math, science and other subjects. But main focus will be on the practical training, practical education. And moreover, the exams are going to start from the 3rd class onward. There will be no exam system till 2nd class. तो जो next 3 है, that is a very important phase of student life. It will include the 6th, 7th and 8th class, that is termed as the middle class. It is very important phase. क्यों important रहेगा ये? Because in this phase, the government is going to start skill learning program. From 6th onward, there will be the skill learning program. So it will include coding. Our students can learn the coding from 6th class onward. Besides that, it includes the number of vocational training courses. Like if any student who is interested to learn regarding plumber, regarding carpenter, they can choose the vocational training courses. Moreover, there will be the 10 days backless period, because they will spend this time with their vocational trainers. So it is a very good idea to develop the skills in every student of India. It helps to make them independent in the future. So the last 4 include 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th class. In these classes, the student will be analyzed. Like what is the goal of the student in their life? So according to their goal, they can choose the subject. So student can choose the stream in very flexible way. Hard barriers are break down now. Now you can merge the science with arts, arts with commerce. So there will be the goal oriented study. There is no rigid stream system. Moreover, in this policy, the special provisions are given to the genius children, to female genders, and more focus will be on the national or the state language till 5th class. It can be continued till 8th class. So let's see what is the next feature of this new policy. All the graduation courses will have the major and minor subject. Like if science student can have the physics as the major subject, it is not must to choose the chemistry or maths along with the physics. He can study the physics, and along with the physics he can choose the minor subject, easy subject like music. So the student can combine the major and the minor subject to make the study more interesting, easy, flexible. And next feature is the 360 degree holistic report card of the child. तो क्या है जो 360 डिग्री अप्रोच? इससे पहले जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड हमें मिलते थे that are only remarked by the teachers, but now remarks will be not only given by the teachers. स्टूडेंट अपने आप को रिमार्क देंगे, अब स्टूडेंट के फ्रेंड्स पीयर्स उसको रिमार्क देंगे, और मेन वेटेज डेफिनेटली टीचर को दी जाएगी. एंड मोर ओवर the report card will show that which skill the child has learned during the school period. So this is the 360-degree holistic report card of the child. All higher education will be governed by one authority, not by the different one. It is only by the one authority. UGC AICTE को मर्ज कर दिया गया है. न्यू टीचर ट्रेनिंग बोर्ड सेटअप किया गया है फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स इन द कंट्री एंड नो स्टेट कैन मेक एनी चेंजेस इन इट. इसके बिना न्यू बेसिक लर्निंग प्रोग्राम इनिशिएट किया गया है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से फॉर द पेरेंट्स टू टीच देयर चिल्ड्रन इन होम हु आर इन द एज ग्रुप 0 to 3 years, and there will be the special curriculum for the preschool children who are in the age group 3 to 6 years. Next है multiple entry and exit from any course. This is mainly applicable for the graduation student who can take the admission in any course, but if due to some problem they are not able to continue the course, they can exit from that course and rejoin the course after some time. But definitely there will be some condition. It is not like that after 15-20 years you want to join the course. Definitely there will be some conditions. Next is the credit system. For the graduation, for each year student will get some credits which he can utilize if he take the break in the course and come back again to complete it. Credits are like that you can credit the money in the bank. Same you can create the academic credit. Like if you have completed the any course or you have completed only 1 year or 2 year, you will be awarded by the credits, and these credits will help you for the further degree course. आप एक से ज़्यादा कोर्स भी ले सकते हैं. हर कोर्स में आपको क्रेडिट दिए जाएंगे और जो आपको फाइनल डिग्री कोर्स में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं. ओके, देख लेते हैं नेक्स्ट फीचर क्या है. All school exams will be semester wise twice a year. तो अब से बोर्ड एग्जाम will be modular, means twice a year. It is divided into the objective and descriptive part. And moreover, the very interesting point is the syllabus will be reduced to the core knowledge of any subject. Now, the exams will be based on the knowledge-based learning, knowledge-based judgment. It is not based on the rote learning, as previously it happens. Now, it is totally based on the knowledge. And more focus will be on the student practical and application knowledge. Okay, the next very interesting and the feature I like most is for any graduation course, if the student complete 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. If he complete 2 years, then he will get the diploma certificate. And if he complete the full course, then he will get the degree certificate. So now, according to this format of undergraduation education is totally changed. Traditionally, there was the 3-year degree course for the BA, BSc or the vocational degree course. But now it is changed into the 4-year with flexible norm. 4-year bachelor program also include the certain amount of the research work. So that will enhance the knowledge. And moreover, the post-graduation degree like MA, that is reduced to 1 year. And according to the new policy, MPhil is totally erased from the education system. So according to this feature, if you complete only 1 year in the course, then you will get a certificate, but that will be the basic certificate. Along with that, you will get the credit points. तो previously क्या होता था, if we get the admission in the course, if due to certain problem like financial problem, family problem, if the student is not able to continue the course, then जो उसने 1 साल या 2 साल कॉलेज में स्पेंड किया है वो भी वेस्ट हो जाता था. He is never awarded by the any certificate. But अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. If the student has completed only 1 year, he will get the basic certificate. And if he complete the 2 years, then he will get the diploma certificate. And if he completed the 3 year, he will be awarded by the degree certificate. But if the student will complete the full 4 year course, then he will be awarded by the degree certificate along with the completion of the research work that will be included in the 4th year. Okay, so the next is next है CAT for college admission. So CAT is common aptitude test. So this test will work for those students who are not able to get good score during the 12th class examination. So they are able to give this common aptitude test, and the score obtained by this test will be add up in the marks of the 12th class, and it will helpful to take the admission in the college. So moreover, there will be the fee structure will be fixed for every college, every school according to the new policy. So now I think you people are thinking when it is going to apply. So you need to know the bill prepared for it is named as the National Education Bill. Now it is going to present in the Parliament, then it become the law, and then after that every state can implement it. So these are the highlights about the new education policy. For making this policy, the advice near about 2 lakh people has been taken, then this policy norms are reformed. I hope you like this video. If you like this information, then please share and subscribe it. Thank you.